Welcome to OFB TV on Tuesday the 19th of February. Looking out of the window today, we've had 2 consecutive days of sunshine, so perhaps spring is finally in the air and we can put a miserable winter behind us. Talking about people having a spring in their step, those kindly folk at the Council of Mortgage Lenders have produced figures for the whole of 2012 for the buy-to-let sector. Total lending was up at 16.4 billion from 13.8 billion in 2011. To save you doing the maths on that, that's an increase of an incredible 19% year on year. And perhaps more significantly, that higher figure of 16.4 billion represented 11.5% of gross mortgage lending. And that's about where the historical run rate used to be pre-credit crunch. Do you remember when that was? Those were those heady days in 2006 and 2007. So we got it wrong. We went for 17 billion and we slightly overshot. It's far better to be optimistic than pessimistic. So what does 2013 hold in prospect? The Council of Mortgage Lenders hasn't given a prediction, which is quite unlike them, but we're going to shoot ahead again and go for an extra 10 or 15% this year, which could take us up to about 18 or 18.5 billion. There's always some blurring of the boundaries. Does it include complex buy-to-let, as now offered by the likes of Kent Reliance, Shawbrook, Aldermore Bank, and indeed our own brand, Keystone? But there's always a little bit of greyness in the figures. But the underlying trend is undeniably strong. Talking about being bouncy, we had a good week last week. The first industry dinner of the year, the Mortgage Strategy Awards at Grosvenor House, hosted by the very gorgeous Gabby Logan, with 900 people, brought us the coveted title of Buy-to-Let Broker. This is always a good award to win because it's voted for by lenders, industry professionals and journalists, and always makes your competitors envious. We're out and about again next month at the Business Money Facts Award, where we're listed for both commercial broker and buy-to-let broker. It would be greedy to expect to get both, but one would be very nice. I'm not going to talk about our product today because there's plenty on our website and we do send you alerts, but would draw your attention to the case studies within our website, because increasingly we are taking calls from you where you say, I've got this property and it doesn't quite fit my existing bank or lender. We love challenges like that, so whether it's a limited company or perhaps a flat over shops, we don't have a problem with those. We can find homes for most of those sorts of deals. So do give our brokers a call because we like little challenges, and now that the sun's out there, we're all feeling more perky and positive. So give us a call on 0845 3456 788.